Unplugged and safe. I'm going to do a quick video on how to replace the thermostat and the control switch on this fridge freezer. Firstly, you only need a couple of tools. I've got a set of pliers and a PH2 screwdriver. Firstly, you pull the knob off and you'll see the thermostat holding nut underneath, so just undo that. Undo both side retaining screws. It's going to be hard to film all this one-handed, but I'll try it. Got that luckily. It's hard to get that one. So when it first drops down, make sure you note the run of the wires. See how it runs inside, otherwise the screw won't go in. So now that's pretty much free. That's your thermostat. You can take a photo of the wires. I've written them down, or you can photo it, whichever you want. It's going to be hard to get them off one-handed, so I'll be back in a minute. Yeah, I'll be back in a minute. I don't want to damage it, so. That's the wires all off it now. We'll note how that wire goes over the top of that, so remember that when you come to refit it. Put that over the top. These can be tight to refit, but to get the thermostat out, all you have to do is pull it until it comes all the way out. I'm not going to do that because this one's okay. But obviously you're just feeding your new thermostat slowly. You don't want to break out till it feels about right. And now I've got to put it all back together, which is going to be really hard one-handed. So I'll shut the camera off and just get it set all up. Remember that was on top. Alright, back in a minute. As you can see, I've got it all ready for pushing back in place. It's really hard just doing it. It's really hard doing it anyway, let alone one-handed. So I've just got to connect that connector on. At the same time, make sure that wire doesn't come out of there, and make sure all this goes in there nice and neatly and not too bad. That's now bolted back in place. They'll put the nut back on it and screwed it in place just to keep it solid. Right, here it goes. I'll try and put it back. Right, it's all pushed back in place now. That end one's tight. I'm going to put this side in. Tighten the nut up on that. Don't need to be too bad. Only goes on one way, this does. That's it, job done.